Olive Garden Blue Hawaiian. To make an Olive Garden Blue Hawaiian, you will need Malibu Rum. The sorority staple is made from rum with the coconut and other tropical flavors. While technically not a rum because of its low alcohol content, this super sweet liqueur is the one bartenders reach for to make many fruity cocktails. As an alternative, you can use any coconut-flavored rum like BACARDI Coconut or Largo Bay Coconut Rum. Blue Curaçao is a citrus-flavored liqueur that has a bitter-sweet flavor similar to triple sec. It's part of this drink primarily for the strikingly blue color it gives the cocktail and its ability to play off the tartness from the sour mix. Since there's only 3/4 of an ounce in the recipe, there is no need to pay for a premium brand. Mr. Stacks or even the alcohol-free Fee Brothers Blue Curaçao syrup is fine. Sour mix adds just the right amount of tartness to the cocktail to help balance out all that sugar from Malibu in the juice. You can use your favorite brand of sour mix or try making it yourself. To make a sour mix, combine 2 parts of simple syrup with 2 parts of fresh lemon juice and 1 part of fresh lime juice. Stir well to combine. Pineapple juice brings the tropics and a good bit of sweetness to this cocktail. Use 100% fruit juice without the pulp. Other ingredients are ice and garnishes such as a cherry or pineapple slice. Put ice in a cocktail shaker. Add sour mix. Add pineapple juice. Add blue curacao. Add rum. Put the top on the shaker and shake it vigorously. Strain into a hurricane glass filled with ice. Garnish with a pineapple slice and maraschino cherry if desired.